Alright, today I'm going to show you how to program and clone your existing remotes to work with your door openers. This is the one gate opener that still works, and I bought another 6 on eBay right here. Pull them out of the pack. Very easy to reprogram. Pretty much when you get them straight brand new, all the LEDs come up. When you push on it, they all come up, so you want to get rid of that. Actually, right now they all give off an LED signal, so they're programmed to something. So as you can see, this is not working, and I'm going to show you how to clone it right now. So to reset each of these and have them ready to be programmed, hold A and B down. You'll see the lights start to flash. Then you release B, and you push B once, push B twice, push B again, and that should be all reset. And then when you know if it works, when you push it, no LEDs. So then, very easy, you have your remote and you hold, this button works with the gate, so you hold the two together like that for a number of seconds, then let go. Okay, that didn't work. Oh, that's because I've tried to program it with the old remote. So this should be ready again. Hold these two down. So you're holding the one that works on your old remote and the one that you want it on, that programs. So we'll see if that works. And we'll open it back up with this. There you go. That works. So this one is now programmed. Let's do the others. That's a good one. Alright, so we've just got these out of the pack. Let's do it again quickly. Reset them by holding both A and B down. Releasing B. Then tapping B once. Twice. 3 times. Doesn't have to be exact. I can't even see the LEDs showing me light signals. Anyway, that's reset it. You know if it's reset, it's because you push all the buttons now and the LED does not light up. Then it's simply grab this remote, hold them together for a few seconds, 5 seconds. That's it. This one should be programmed now. There you go. This one works now. Super simple. So we'll do it again. To reset them, A and B at the same time. Then release B. Push, push, push. Reset. Hold them together. This is the active button, and A is what I want it on. Hold them nice and close to each other. Hold them both down, and that will learn it. 5 seconds or so, and that's it. Now this one should be ready. So we just test that one out. Okay, that one didn't work. Let's try that again. Hold them both down. There we go. I think before I didn't hold it down long enough. There we go. Now this puppy is working. You know it works because before, once you reset these remotes, no LEDs come on. It doesn't come on for any other button. But for A, it does light up. And it does work. So this one's done. Moving on, one more time, we'll reset these two, holding A and B together for the lights to flash 3 times. Release B, tap B, tap B, tap B. That resets it. Get our remotes, hold them both on at the same time. Between 5 and 8 seconds. Done. And I'll just show you that they weren't pre-programmed. This is the last one to do. As you can see, pushing all the buttons does not work. So quickly hold A and B, release B, tap B, tap B, tap B, release it. Now it's reset. See, it still doesn't work, still doesn't work. Hold these together and this will learn it for about 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go, that works. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did help, or if it didn't help, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next video.